And now I'd like to give you a few hints about daily life here. Smart cards are very convenient when using the train, subway, or bus. From the left are the Nimoka, available at Nishitetsu train stations and on Nishitetsu buses. The Sugoka, available at JR train stations. And the Hayaka-ken, available at subway stations. You can charge the cards with funds in advance and use the card to pass quickly through automatic ticket gates. They can be charged any number of times. These smart cards can be used to pay fares for Nishitetsu trains and buses, JR trains, and city subways. Ask for more information at any public transportation information counter.